Hi, Brian. This will be some final video feedback for you on the web banner. And we've got 2 weeks left to go, so if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out. Brian, nicely packaged, and I see that you have collected your tools used in your screenshots. You know, you could just interweave some of the copy for the final reflection into this and have an exemplary final reflection, you know, with illustrations and captions. Just a suggestion. It's not required. And then I see you've got the first part package too. So I'm going to open up your Photoshop file and just to see what it looks like. Now I would expect to see some frames here. I don't. I do see layers though. So and with some type effects probably from last week. So the overall arrangement is very nice. I would expect to see the logo in here somewhere, and perhaps you have it on some layer that I'm not looking at. I'm not sure about this script. I am glad though that you have it tied together. Those are called ligatures, and that would be expected of a handwritten script like this. This looks like a adapted outline brush script of some kind. Consider using the corporate typeface, which is Arial. It's hard to make it look elegant, and so I do understand. But that's the beauty of all these with these type effects, is that it really doesn't matter what typeface you use. Presumably all of your type manipulations will remain intact. So I've gone to your posting. I don't see, it doesn't seem to be, for me at least, animated. So let me just quickly go back to your Photoshop file and suggest to you, perhaps ways that you could do it. So we're in the timeline tool here. Let's create a frame animation. We come up with this. Let's add, say, 3 or 4 frames, or two frames. In this one, I'm going to turn off something. I don't know, maybe a couple of these effects, okay? And I'm going to change the duration of that to maybe half a second. In this one, I'm going to turn everything off, or many more things. Let's see. And this is just to give you an example, some of these effects. And I'm going to have that of maybe half a second duration. Then I'm going to add what's called tweening in between all of these. And here's the dialog box for tweening. Let's see, where is it? Come on now. Oh, I see. You have to select 2 frames, 2 adjacent frames, or keyframes. Here's some of the parameters. I'm going to add 5 frames maybe, and highlight all those frames. Change the duration maybe to half a second. I have no idea what we're going to get, but we can find out. Well, okay, you get the idea. I'll leave it here, but that should get you started at least. It probably has to process on my end before it does anything. But you have good ingredients, and so I look forward to seeing how you animate them.